Next question is find the value of 5050 integration of 0 to 1 minus x power 50 whole power 100 dx, sorry, dx over integration of 0 to 1 minus x power 50 whole power 101 dx. In is equals to, take like this, in is equal to integration of 0 to 1 minus x power 50 whole power n dx. You take n power. Now this is equals to integration of 0 to 1 into 1 minus x power 50 whole power n dx. Now consider this as the first function. So this as the first function, this one as the second function. Now use integration by parts. That is equals to first function, that is 1 minus x power 50 whole power integration of 1 dx. Limits are from 0 to 1 minus integration of differentiation of the first function, that is 1 minus x power 50 whole power integration of the second function 0 to 1. So this is equals to 1 minus x power 50 whole power and into integration of 1 dx is x from 0 to 1. So because of this term, if you substitute upper limit, it becomes 0. Because of this term, if you substitute lower limit, this becomes 0. Ultimately, this vanishes. This becomes 0. This integral. So you left with what? Integration of 0 to 1 differentiation n into 1 minus x power 50 whole power n minus 1 into differentiation of 1 is 0 minus differentiation of x power 50 is 50 into x power 50 minus 1. Integration of 1 dx is x 2 dx. So now this is equals to this first this part becomes 0. And now you left with minus of integration of 0 to 1. Minus minus becomes plus. So integration, because this minus and this minus becomes plus. Integration of 0 to 1 50n. Write 50n outside, please. So 50n into integration of 0 to 1 x power 49 just a minute, into okay, x power 49 and this x is x power 49, this x is x power 50 only. So this is x power 50 into 1 minus x power 50 whole power n minus 1 dx. Got this. So in next step, what you do is, this is equal to in is equals to, so in is equals to 50n into, so integration of 0 to 1. So you write down this x power 50 as 1 minus of 1 minus x power 50. Just I added and subtracted 1. Therefore, second term as it is 1 minus x power 50 over n minus 1 dx. So now open the bracket. Therefore, in is equals to 50n into integration of 0 to 1 minus x power 50 whole power n minus 1 dx minus of 1 minus x power 50 whole power n dx, n minus 1 1, therefore n dx 0 to 1 dx. Now this is in is equals to, now this is 50n into, So this is nothing but in minus 1, and this is in. Therefore, this is in minus 1 minus in. So if you open the bracket, then in is equals to, therefore in is equals to 50n into in minus 1 minus 50n into in. So you take out this 50n in left hand side, it becomes what? 51. So 51 n plus 1 into in is equals to 50n into in minus. So from here you will get in over in minus 1 is equals to 50n over 51n plus 1. So give this to number 1. But our required value is, if you see the question, our required value is here in, we consider in as integration of 0 to 1 minus x power 50n. But here we need 5050 into this by this. So 5050 into what is this? If you replace n by 100, you will get this one, that is I 100. So if you replace n with 101 here, you will get this term. Therefore 0 to 1 1 minus x power 50 100. Therefore our requirement is 5050 into I 100 by I 101 is our question, our requirement. So now required value is equals to 5050 into I 100 or I 101. So this is required. So to get this one, use number 1. Put, how do you get this one? I 100 by I 101, you will get from here. Here in place of n, if you substitute 100, you will get I 100 by, okay, sorry, sorry, 101. You substitute 101 here. You substitute in place of in 101, then what you get? I 101 by I n minus I 100 you will get. So now what you do is put n is equal to 101 in 1. Then what you get? I 101 by I 101 minus 1, that is I 100, is equal to 50 into 101 over 50 into 101 plus 1. So this is I 101 by I 100. Therefore I 101, this 50 into 101 will be 5050, and this is 5050 plus 1 for 5051. This is nothing but I 101 by I 100. So but our requirement is what? I 100 by I 101. So you reciprocate it. That implies I 100 over I 101 is equal to 5051 over 5050. Now put it in 1. Put in this one. That is, if you substitute in 1, therefore the required value is equals to, required value is equal to 5050. Required value is 5050 into I 100 by I 101. That is nothing but 5051 by 5050. So 5050 cancel. Therefore final answer is 5051. So this is the final answer.